Wanna know how to manage your data in Java? So, in this video, we will be seeing how you can manage data in Java using ArrayList easily. So what ArrayList does is, ArrayList just simply lets you store, update and remove records quickly. So in this code right here, we simply first create an array list and add some names like Alice, Bob and Charlie in the code right here. So printing the list shows all entries. Then if we remove Bob, the rest automatically updates. This is super useful for keeping track of dynamic data like a list of players, tasks or records in a program. You don't need to predefine the size, making it flexible and beginner friendly. So you can just simply copy this code and modify by yourself. So I'm just going to show you by running this code, and there you go. This is a super simple code. This is really beginner friendly as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.